Jai Hind, dear children. How do you do? Today I am back with a new video, and the video is on a very good topic. Now, as you people have learned so many things through your book, through my videos, now we are moving towards a new level. That is level 3, you can call it. A little high level things we are going to learn in technology. Till now, you have learned about the parts of computer, about the places where you have seen computer. Now you will be learning about something new, and that is known as a computer system. Just look at this slide, you will understand the name of the topic of the video. A computer system. But before I tell you the meaning of a computer system, let me tell you the meaning of a system. What is a system? A system is a group of things or parts that work together. When many things join together to perform a particular task, it is known as system. In the same way, dear children, a computer system means so many things are united together to make a machine run, and that is a computer. A computer system is a set of integrated devices. As you can see, there are many devices together that input, process, and output the data. That input, process, and output the data. And you can take the example of our body also. See, this is our body, and you can see that there are many parts which all together work to make our body run. If we have no brain, we have no heart, we have no legs, we have no hands, we do not have other body part, the system will not be proper one. Either it will be damaged or it will be not working very well. So to make something run properly, we need to have a proper system. Either you are talking about a machine or we are talking about a living thing like us. So the chapter's name is a computer system. When all the parts are joined together, it is known as a computer system. We are not talking about individually, we are talking about togetherness. As you know that computer is a useful machine. It is used in almost every sphere of life. We can play games, we can write letters, we can draw pictures, we can listen to music, store information, solve mathematical sums as well on a computer. It can work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. All these things I have explained previously also to you people, and we know that where we can see a computer, the places. But this slide you can see that what the places where you can see computer, like hospitals, library. It is used for designing purpose, bank, in defense area for animated movies, at railway stations, in schools, in shopping malls, for space research centers, at airports, and many more places where you can see computer in different fields. Now children, let's talk about the hardware and software. Now, what is that? You must be thinking, what is hard and what is soft and what is hardware and software? Now, see, a computer system contains two important parts. Two important parts a system contains. The whole system is divided into two important parts, and both together makes a computer work. If you will remove the hardware, let me show you through this laser light. If you will remove the hardware, this is hardware, from the computer system will not work. If you will remove the software from the system will not work. So to run a system, we need to have a software and we need to have a hardware as well. As for children's benefit, parents and teachers, they work together to make their future bright. In the same way, the hardware and the software both are required to make it work properly. Okay, now let us look into what is a hardware and what is a software. In short, here you can see it's written physical parts that can be touched. The parts to which you can touch, as in your body also, dear children, you can touch your eyes, nose, legs, but there are few parts which are inside your body which you cannot touch, like the lungs, the liver, the heart, the kidney. You cannot touch it. It is inside, but it's working. It's helping the body to move, to work properly. So that way, hardware is that can be touched, that can be felt, and software is that cannot be felt, that cannot be touched, but it is also a very important part of the computer. Move towards next slide. Hardware, as I have told you, the physical component parts of a computer that can be touched and feel are called hardware. Just now I told you we can touch the hardware like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, power supply, motherboard also, hard disk drive also, and many more parts which are known as the hardware of the computer. You must have heard there are many shops in the market which says that I repair the hardware, and there are many shops which say I repair the software. So these are the different shops, at times same also, which repair the main very important parts of a computer. If you are having any trouble in your monitor, in keyboard, in your mouse, in CPU, printer, and all these devices, all these parts, you need to go to a hardware shop, computer hardware shop. But if you have any other problem in your system, like the Mozilla Firefox is not working, Google Chrome is not working, any application is not working, then you need to go to a software person. Now, what is a hardware? It is also known as the machinery or the equipment of the computer, the machines like CPU, the hard disk, the pen drive, the monitor, the everything that is visible and you can touch is known as the hardware. Let's move to the next slide. Now, these are the main parts of a computer, dear children. As you can see here, I have written hardware. So, these are the main parts of a computer, like monitor, CPU, central processing unit, keyboard, mouse. These are the main parts of a computer and known as hardware. These are all known as hardwares. Okay, now other devices also you can see, dear children, which are the hardwares but not main, the other devices. Touch screen of your mobile, touch screen of your laptop, touch screen of your digiboard is also a hardware device. The scanner, which helps you in scanning the pictures, is also a hardware device. The plotter, which helps you in printing big banners, posters, is also a hardware device. The printer is also a hardware, you can touch it. The speakers help you in listening to the audio. The light pen is used to work on the pads, special notepads. Other devices like joystick is used to play games, pen drive to use to store the memory data, hard disk, CD, microphone, all these are known as hardware because you can touch it. It's hard when you touch, you can call it. So these are the hardwares of a computer. Now, moving to next. What do we have? Oh wow, now we have software, the another important part of a computer without which a computer cannot run. Now, these are the main points, children. Software is also a very important part of a computer, but it cannot be touched. We need to install this. You have to remember, this is a very important word. You need to install softwares to make the computer work. But there are many softwares which are already there in your mobiles and laptops and desktops when you buy it. You need not to install it. It's already installed in your computer or laptop or mobile when you buy it. So it is a set of instructions that makes a computer work. What is the meaning of set of instructions? Let me explain you. There are many applications like Chrome is there, YouTube is there, Facebook is there, Mozilla Firefox is there. So Chrome and all these are designed to do a particular job. Suppose you have to search something, you want to know the spelling of some word, or you want to know the information of any monument, or you want to do any sum. This is designed for that purpose. The Chrome is a search engine and this is a software. This is designed so that you can search whatever you want. It is a software, not a hardware, because you cannot touch it. You can do your work for what it is designed. It is used to run the computer. They help in running the computer. Mozilla Firefox is also a search engine. Here also you can type anything and you can get the answer. YouTube, you must be knowing that you used to watch many videos. Facebook for social media. So these are also softwares. These are all applications, you can call it. It is a set of instructions that make a computer run. If you will take out all the software from your computer will become just a box. a dabba kind of a thing, it will not be able to work very well, or well even. It tells a computer what to do and how to perform a task. How to perform a task. Suppose you have to do something and you are not knowing, you are having apps, applications, softwares, you go into that and they will give you instruction and you can do your task. So it is designed to perform a particular task. It includes all the different programs. These you can call programs on a computer, such as applications and operating systems. Now these two words are very important, which you have to keep in mind. What are applications and what are operating systems? Applications are the apps which you have in your mobiles, in your computers, and operating system is the backbone of a computer. If you are not having any operating system in your device, as I told you, it will become like a dabba, a useless box, which is of no use. Operating system is like the backbone. If there is no backbone in your body, you will not be able to stand, because the bone is helping you in standing, in sitting, in doing your task. So operating system is the full system which makes your computer work. So this is very important. Without the operating system, your computer will not run, my dear children. And the applications are very important. With the help of these applications, you perform different tasks. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Let's move. What next I have? Yes, now types of software. What are the types of softwares? There are basically two types of softwares. Number one, application software, and number two, system software. I'm sure with the word only you are clear that what is an application software and what is a system software. So you have to remember that there are two types of software. The one is application software and the other is system software. Now go in little details. Application software. What is that? The software that helps you to do a specific type of work is called an application software. Whatever you want to do, an app, you play many games. So those games are apps only, applications. So if you want to play a game, that app is designed in that particular way. Whatever work is designed, that you can do through that application. Like Candy Crush and many applications are there. Those are apps you use for a particular specific task. That is an application software. Some popular examples of application softwares are here. Very popular. Chrome. You must be knowing Chrome is designed to search many things. Mozilla Firefox is also an application software. VLC media player. Whenever you are having any file, any movie or any musical file, anything, you must have seen that VLC media player helps you in opening that. If you will take out this, it will be difficult for you to hear to that particular audio or video. Right? Now, what others are there? Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. This is also a product of Microsoft. Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Paint. All these are application softwares. Without this, it's difficult to make your computer run and it's difficult to do that particular task for which these are designed for. Fine. Let's move. System software, a very important thing to know. It is a set of, this is also a set of program that controls overall working of a computer. Overall, how your computer is working, what you are doing, how it is handling things, it all depends on the system software. Like our body has a system, and if that system is not working, our body will not work. Hands and legs and eyes will not work if the internal system is not working. Like in this world also, God is our system software. So God is handling everything. If God will not handle, the whole world will be like topsy turvy. In that same way, system software is the one thing which controls the overall working of a computer. It is a software designed to provide a platform for other softwares. This is a very important point, dear children. Now, system softwares are designed so that other softwares like Mozilla and Chrome and PowerPoint and Excel, they can work. If you will remove system software from the computer, then the other softwares, the other applications which you are using, you will not be able to use. So you can call it a mummy. The system software is the mummy of the computer, and the rest of the application softwares are the babies. You can call it babies. So it is a software designed to provide a platform for other softwares. Now, what are the examples? You must have heard Microsoft Windows. As you can see, my laptop is also Windows 10. Windows is a product of Microsoft company. It is an America-based company. Linux, iOS, Android. These are the operating systems. Earlier we were using Linux. Now we are using Microsoft Word. This is a Microsoft Windows. This is a very famous operating system, very user friendly and very good for your system as well. iOS and Android also. Now, this is a very important point for you all, dear children. Every game you play is a software, you have to remember. Operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer work. It manages all the input and output operations. Whatever you are doing, you are typing your name and it is coming on your screen. You are pressing on the print button and you are getting a hard copy of it. Everything is done with the help of an operating system. If it there will be no operating system, there will be no input, no output, no processing, no operations at all. So this is the most important thing of your computer system software. Fine. Now quickly let's sum up it. These points are very important, so I have pinned it like this. A web browser like Google, like the Mozilla and the other also is an application software. Whenever you see this word application software, you have to keep in mind that this is designed for doing a particular task. But whenever you see a system software, you have to understand that it is managing the whole system. Fine. Hardware can be touched, while software can't be touched. Software is used as mediator between user and hardware. Who is the user? We are users. Hardware are the hard devices which we use, which we touch, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, as I told you. So software is used as mediator between user and hardware. This point is very important. All the softwares are not applications, my dear children. You have to keep in mind, all the softwares are not applications, while all the applications are softwares. Now this difference, if you will understand, it will be very easy for you in understanding the whole concept, that all the softwares are not applications, while whichever application you make, that is a software. So these were the key points to keep in mind. Now hope you have liked the video and hope you the concept which I have given to you. It was a new concept for you all. I'm sure it's clear to you through this video. Now this was the first part of a computer system. Now in the next part I'll be making a video on the main parts, the hardware devices and the other topics also, the parts of the computer which are very important and what function they perform and working of a computer as well. Little bit I will include in the next video. So to this you can call the part 1 of level 3. Thank you so much. Thank you and Jai Hind, dear children. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching and subscribe it. Thank you.